So this is not real wine or any sort of juice. This is actually an exfoliating and brightening face wine. And you can easily make this because I will show you how simple it is. If you're a lover of rose water, then this one is a good one for you because you can utilize your rose water to make this. I'll then be adding glycolic acid powder. This is a natural alpha-hydroxyl acid that is derived from sugarcane, and it helps to exfoliate the skin, brighten the skin, smoothen the skin, and also improve a dull looking skin. I'm using only 5% and it's going to rapidly dissolve in water. Next, I'll be adding my vegetable glycerin. Because this contains an AHA, I wouldn't want it to be too dry on the skin, so I need a humectant that will actually help to draw moisture into the skin. And then next, I'm going to be adding my mulberry powder. This actually gives us the color of the wine, although we have mulberry in pink and white. The pink one will give us a pink toner, while the white one will give us a colorless toner. Mulberry is actually a fruit acid that will help to smoothen and brighten the skin. After this, I'll definitely want to check the pH of this product, else it may not work for you. The pH has to be around 4, and that's just so fine because we got a pH of 4. So next, I'm going to add my preservative. Here I'm using Germal Plus, which is a broad spectrum preservative, and it will help to keep this product for as long as 18 months. I'll leave the list of ingredients in the caption, and if you want to know more about toners, I have a well-detailed ebook on that, and it's right on my website. I'll leave the link in my bio. Meanwhile, this toner should be used 3 to 4 times weekly, preferably at night. And also do not forget your sunscreen when this is in your routine. So this toner will simply help to brighten your skin, smoothen your skin, and exfoliate dead skin cell out of your skin. See that this was very easy for you to make, and if this was helpful, please like, share, and please follow for more.